So, hi guys. Nandito na tayo sa Manila. And magla-lunch muna tayo habang nag-aayos. So, come eat and get ready with me. Okay. So, our food is yan. My go-to food pag nandito ako sa Manila kasi malapit lang siya sa bus station. So, first, foundation na. I'm using Issy. So, I forgot my mirror, kaya kayo muna yung gagamitin natin mirror, guys. Ayan. So, yung pupuntahan natin today, it's very special. Kasi isa siya sa prestigious events here in the Philippines. And kaya, ayun, kailangan natin mag-efforts. And pagkadating naman natin, medyo buhay na ang ating diwa. Hindi na tayo masyadong boyat. Ganun. Medyo puffy pa rin yung eyes, pero carry lang. Since light makeup lang tayo, so dapat hindi masyadong OA. Okay. So, iyon. Andito pala tayo sa malapit sa Genesis bus. Meron yung parang botohan. It's kuya na botohan nada. Still the best na lang. Next na tayo is blush by Get Ready With Me Glam and Glow Stick in the shade Pumpkin Spice. So nilagyan ko lang yung dito man sa cheek and sa may unti lang sa nose. And iba-blend lang natin siya. Ayan, ganyan lang ako mag-blend kasi hindi pa tayo ganun ka-expert mag-makeup. So, petso-petso na lang talaga ginagawa. So, bear with me guys if you have suggestions kung paano mag-makeup ng maayos. Shut your mouth down. Help your little girlie out. Ayan. So, magba-blend lang. Medyo beginner pa lang tayo sa makeup. So tulungan nyo naman ako. Maawa kayo sa akin. Sorry. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. And then, maglalagay lang tayo ng onti sa ating tawag dito, eyeshadow. Ayan, so ginanyan ko lang siya. Very convenient kasi to. Pwede siya all around. Ganun. Huwag kang hindi ka gaganyan. Guys, kung matatry nyo lang to ngayon, I say it's super worth it. Ang next natin is eyebrows. Then, i-blend lang natin siya gamit yung ganito. For my eyelashes, i-curl lang natin siya and then maglalagay lang tayo ng mascara. I don't know kung mag-lashes pa. Let's see later. guys, the difference. This is the before and after. Ayan. Na-curly lashes natin. Maglalagay na tayo ng mascara. I'll be using Maybelline Falsies Lash Lip. So, ano lang din. Ibaganyan lang natin siya. Hindi ko ma-explain. Pero, parang binabrush up lang natin blush. Nag-start ako dito sa baba para magka-weights din siya, hindi yung sa taas. So, we'll just eat. And then, maglipin na tayo ng hair. So, hi guys. Tapos na tayo kumain, brush. And then, let's put our lippy. Kasi, importante yun. Okay? For our lippy, we will be using 2 lippies. Lippies? Lippies. Ayan. First muna is, wait, I'll get my eyeliner. Okay, guys. So, for my first lippy, I will be using the Universal Tint of Issy. Pang lang. Parang hydrating something for the lips. Ayan. Okay. And then next, we'll be using Issy's Casual. I think this one is hydrating. Maglalagay lang tayo man. Then, may na natin ayusin yung hair pagkadating natin. Para hindi magugulo yung hair natin. Okay. So, magbubuk lang ako ng Move It. And then, I'll see you guys sa studio. I'll see you guys later. Bye! So, hi guys! Tapos na yung casting. Unfortunately, hindi ko kayo nasama kasi hindi pwede ang camera sa loob. And so, it's done. Kakain lang tayo. And then, we'll go straight home. I'll see you soon, Baguio. And yeah. Hopefully, okay pa rin tayo tignan our makeup today. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you, my CG queens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment my next content. Ayan. Don't forget to follow Ukay Slay, guys. Okay? I love you, my CG queens. Bye!